Angelina Jolie has allegedly unleashed a desperate fishing expedition by suing the FBI under the name Jane Doe to find more about its investigation into an alleged jet incident involving Brad Pitt, and why its agents didn't charge the actor. The FBI opened an investigation into Pitt in 2016 over claims that during a family flight home from Europe in 2016, he allegedly got into an altercation with a then 15-year-old son Maddox. An anonymous call was made to the authorities, which triggered the FBI investigation, which closed on November 22, 2016, with no charges of wrongdoing. Days later, Jolie filed for divorce. Now a woman identified as Jane Doe, strongly suspected to be Jolie, is suing the FBI for information regarding their investigation into an incident of alleged domestic violence on a private jet years ago that matches the description of the incident that led to Jolie's split from Pitt. The suit, filed under the Freedom of Information Act, is seeking information about the agency's investigation of an incident of domestic violence that occurred several years ago involving plaintiff and her minor children as victims and witnesses. Several years ago, while plaintiff, her then husband, and their children, who were all minors at the time, were traveling via private aircraft, the husband allegedly physically and verbally assaulted plaintiff and the children, Doe claims in the lawsuit. Doe explains that the FBI investigated but publicly announced it was closing its investigation of the incident without further action. See also: Brad Pitt cleared of child abuse allegations. Brad Pitt won a key battle in his child custody. Her lawsuit states that the FOIA request is to better understand the FBI's investigation and obtain information necessary for her children to receive medical care and trauma counseling following the incident. Doe adds in the suit that she has public status and wants to remain anonymous, adding that the other party, the husband, also has public status. Legal insiders say there is an extremely strong possibility that the suit was allegedly filed by Jolie, because all the facts line up. We reached out to reps for both Jolie and Pitt, who didn't comment. A source claimed Jolie is allegedly trying to find damaging information against Pitt as the custody battle over their 6 children continues. The legal source said, "There is little precedent for the FBI sharing information about an investigation that was closed with no charges." Angelina is likely looking for a morsel of information, something else to use against Brad, to hurt him. This is a desperate fishing expedition trying to find something that likely doesn't exist in FBI notes and make it public. The source added that both Jolie and Pitt were given information about the investigation when the FBI closed the case 5.5 years ago. Amanda Kramer, the attorney who filed the lawsuit on behalf of Jane Doe, said, "I am unable to comment on the identity of Jane Doe, who has sought to preserve the family's privacy." Our position is that victims and survivors should be able to access federal agency records of crimes they experienced or reported, as is common at the state level, so they can advocate for health and trauma care and legal protections for their children and themselves. A spokesperson for the FBI stated that agency policy prohibits comment on pending litigation.